The Russian Black Sea Fleet has faced significant losses due to Ukrainian missile and drone attacks, showcasing a shift in naval warfare dynamics. The latest casualty is the Askold, a newly constructed corvette hit by a Ukrainian cruise missile in occupied Crimea. 17 Russian vessels hit by Ukraine since the invasion began in February 2022. These are the 17 Russian vessels that have been sunk or heavily damaged. Moskva Slava-class guided missile cruiser, sunk. Rostov-on-Don Kilo-class submarine, damaged beyond repair. 5 Raptor-class patrol boats, 3 destroyed, 2 damaged. 1 Project 02510 BK-16E high-speed assault boat, destroyed. 1 Project 640 small patrol boat, destroyed. Saratov Tapper-class landing ship, destroyed. 3 Rapucha-class landing ships, Minsk damaged beyond repair. Olenogorski and another ship damaged. 1 Cerna-class landing craft, destroyed. Vasily Beck Project 210-870 rescue tug, destroyed. On Project 266M Natya-class minesweeper, damaged. Askold cruise missile carrier corvette, damaged. Have a nice day. That's it for today. To stay up to date on AI, drones and military, don't forget to subscribe.